All right, welcome back to Rembrandt. My name is Rex, and I'm going to show you what nice pictures you can make using Copilot. And we've already done a whole bunch of pictures using Copilot already, and we're going to get back into it since it's been the start of school. We're filming this in September. We're going to hit that theme again, and we're going to do one with college students at school. So let's go ahead back into it. Let me get my screen a little bit bigger over here. I already got a prompt for you, so we're going to go ahead and run that prompt. And once we get it running, then I'll show you what the prompt is over here. Um, Draw a picture of two white athletic college students, one male, one female, surfing. Oh, here, sorry, surfing on the surfboards while riding a big wave next to each other on the beach. So we're going to start with the beach one first. The sun is high in the sky, and the water is aqua blue, and there are large waves in the ocean. So we're going to start with the beach one first, and we're gonna wait for this one. Oh, it didn't do that. No worry. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take the one part of it first. Start over. I got the prompt over here. We're gonna see if we can do two people riding surfboards on the beach. Sometimes if it doesn't do it, then we gotta go ahead and start over. Okay, didn't do that one either. I know I've gotten it to work before. Let me see. Okay, let's try this. We're going to draw a picture of a male and a female college student on the beach. Sometimes you have to go all the way back to something very generic for Copilot to take it. So I had a prompt written, which I tried out earlier, and earlier I did get it to work. And now I tried running the prompt directly and it didn't take it. So that's okay. So basically, I wanted a picture of a male and a female, the male female college students on the beach. So I got this. I got a male and female college student on the beach. I got two pictures, male and female. So we'll go ahead and say male and female college student on the beach. So now we're going to tweak the prompt a little bit. So I got two Asian, so we can go ahead and keep that way. So I can say make them both Asian and have them surfing to you surf the waves, right? See if we can get that. So sometimes it takes two prompts to get something to work. Hey, now we got it to work. Look at that. Now they're both on their surfboards. See, which is kind of like what I originally had wanted. A male and a female. They're both college students, and they both have their surfboards, and they're on the beach, which is kind of like what I wanted. And that's the thing with the Microsoft Copilot. If you can't get it to work the first time, maybe you have to rewrite your prompt or you have to tweak your prompt. Sometimes it could be that the prompt is too long and then you have to shorten it or you have to go back and then you have to try it again. Um, Change it to sunset time on the beach. Add some seagulls. Yeah, you could say that. I'm going to type it in. Not one seagull. I want to see several. Add some seagulls to the picture. So I'm just manually tweaking the prompt. So I started out with a big prompt, which I had written out. And the prompt was here, draw a picture of two white athletic college students, one male, one female, surfing on their surfboards while riding a big wave next to each other on a large beach. The sun is high the sky and the water is aqua blue, and there are large waves in the ocean. Okay, here we go. Let's see what we get. Now we got them surfing. Look at that. See, you have to have a lot of patience with AI because sometimes you don't always get right away. You don't always get what you want the first time. Well, this looks good. I don't know why they're wearing school clothes, but okay. Change their hair, change their outfits to swimsuits. Yeah, please, let's go ahead and do that. So you don't always get what you want with one prompt. And that's why I strongly believe in the idea of saving all your prompts. I save absolutely everything. I have all my prompts saved. I usually save my prompts in Notepad, and then what I do, I like saving my prompts by category or topic in Microsoft OneNote. So I'll create a notebook. For example, this would be a notebook under beach, and then I'll put all my prompts in there. And I found it extremely easy using Microsoft OneNote because you can categorize all your prompts. So if I'm looking for my beach prompts, and if I have them all saved under beach, then I can go to the beach workbook or page in my workbook, and then I'll find all my prompts written in there. But I normally save all my prompts. First, I type them out in Notepad and I copy them from Notepad to Copilot because yeah, I might tweak them or change them, and then I run them in Copilot, and then I'll get something different, which is different from what I have in Notepad, and I'll be like, oh, I kind of like this picture too, and then I copy what I have, what Notepad, what Copilot gives me here. If it's different from what I have in Notepad, I'll copy and paste that back in Notepad so I can save it, and that way I build up a library of prompts. So anyone who's really serious into creating images in Copilot for making pictures for a gallery or for a website or for just for saving their own portfolio or their own artwork, I would highly recommend save all your prompts. If you generate pictures using Copilot and you like the pictures that it renders, I would definitely recommend save your prompts because you never know when you need to go back. And it was like, um, what was that prompt again? How did I write it? What was it? And sometimes you'll see that you copy and paste the prompt and you paste it back into Copilot and it won't run the first time. And then you need to break it down in pieces and run it again to get a picture similar to the picture that you got months ago that you really liked. So you see what I did here, and I got my pictures back. So I'm getting pictures. I'm not getting two white students. I'm getting two Asian students, but I like it just as much. So this is still giving me what I wanted. So I apologize. I'm not getting two students walking around the campus. I I was reading the wrong thing, but okay, this gives me two students surfing on the beach, and I guess in the next video we're gonna do two students riding bikes on campus. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.